Hello friends, and welcome to Trade with Raymond. My videos are strictly for educational purposes only. But sometimes it's good for laughter. It helps. Anyway, today I'm talking about gold. And generally, Ghana has been mining gold for over 100 years. And we used to be called the Gold Coast. And it's clear how much gold we have here. We can see a lot of mines coming up almost every few years. A lot of surface mining, different kinds of mining activities are taking place in Ghana. We have Anglo Gold Ashanti, which is a very big mining organization, and many other ones. However, many people are being scammed when they enter the gold business. We've seen investigative journalists do their work where they literally arrest people who try to sell fake shiny metals to people. Other people also come into the business to buy this shiny metal because they are greedy. They come in asking for 10% discount, 20% discount. What you should know is that the gentleman or the guys underground looking for this metal, they have cell phones. They are able to check and know the world market price for a kilo, for an ounce. And so when you are happy and you're excited that you got a 5, 10, 15% discount, trust me, you have some alloys. You don't have the shiny metal itself. Or maybe you have just one of it and you're going to suffer and cry. So coming into this business, you don't have to be greedy. Secondly, also, you need to buy from approved sources or organizations. And many people, because of greed, bypass these organizations and want to deal with the miners themselves. Some miners also want to deal directly with retail people. And this is where issues happen and people are scammed here and there. But if you're interested in the gold business and you don't ever want to be scammed, ABSA Capital has a product for you. They have what we call the new gold ETF. ETF is what? Exchange Traded Fund. All right, so I'm going to explain it in layman's language for you to understand what it is. An ETF is just something that is being used to represent the shiny metal. Now, instead of you going to the bush or the forest area or where the mines are to literally buy the shiny metal yourself and argue and take all the risk and even get attacked and lose your money, ABSA Capital says that they have identified, they have created a unit, and it's only 218 CD, I think, and that unit is going to represent gold. So 200, because a kilo of gold is very expensive, you may not be able to buy it, not even an ounce. So they have created that unit. So that unit represents gold. So you literally can buy that unit. And then what is interesting is that it is pegged in terms of its price behavior with the shiny metal itself. So if you had gold prices going up, that item that is representing gold is also going to be going up. So let's assume gold is at 2,000 and it goes to 3,000. If that ETF or that unit that is being used to represent real gold is at 200 and it goes to 300, it means you have made 100 Ghana cedi profit. And this is how everybody or anybody can get involved in investing in gold. What it also means is that if gold prices drop, it's also going to drop. But the beauty of these ETFs, from my own analysis, is that it rises with gold but doesn't fall quickly with the shiny metal itself. So it's a very safe investment from my perspective. I mean, you have to do your own research anyway. It's a very interesting thing they have developed. So you can literally, for me, I can literally get into the gold business without visiting any mine. All I need to do is to go to my broker, SAS, in Accra World Trade Center, or I go to IC Securities, and I can buy this unit that represents the shiny metal, and it's so affordable. So literally, anybody and everybody can get into doing gold business without worrying about being scammed. So this ABSA ETF thing is literally protecting you from being scammed. It's a very wonderful idea. And I believe that from my perspective, I mean, I'm going to get into gold without worrying about storage, where I'm keeping it, how I'm going to transfer it to Accra, licensing, documentation, bank transfers, complicated stuff. This is so interesting. I tell you what, in Ghana, our financial market has interesting products that with a little bit of patience and education, you can get involved. You know what? Soon we're going to have some free courses and we're going to have it on Zoom and Google Meet. You have the opportunity to join and to discuss and learn something with me. It's awesome. There's so much on the Ghana Stock Exchange market for us all. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, ask questions, save the video. See you. Bye bye.